สวัสดีค่ะ I saw this cards from stationery. The price is about 160 Singapore dollars. I thought of an idea that I can make it a card for Gwyn to practice Thai, and I'd like to share with you. So I prepare some word for him to learn like this. D, P, me, จะจะนะนะกะจะนะกะกาปามา ยาตาอา and this is my name Natalie. Kendre is my husband's name. พี่น้อง is elder and younger. I think I missed something. Let me go back to Gwyn and Finn. Yes, this is Gwyn and Finn. That's how they spell their name. So that's why I came up with this card so that they get to practice Thai. พ่อแม่ is the word for father. I probably get him to read it out and practice writing them as well. พี่น้อง elder and younger. I also kind of forced him to say I love you mommy ผมรักแม่ผมรักแม่ผมรักแม่ทีวีสระอิสระอีสระอึสระอือ So these are just some of the example of how I came up with this card for him to practice Thai, because sometimes we can just use notebook, but notebook alone is a little bit boring. You can come up with something like this. If you have something like this in your stationery shop in your country, it's only $1 or $2. So yeah, you can use it as a card for you to practice Thai as well. If you have a good set of stationery that help you learn Thai, you'll find that the learning journey is more fun and more enjoyable than just a simple notebook. You could do it on notebook as well. If you write them beautifully, then you feel good. Whatever it is, you cannot just learn Thai by looking at words like this. You will need to practice them. You need to write them down and then practice reading them. You have to be your own teacher as well. Okay, I hope you get some new idea from this today video.